Hello student, good morning. So today we will learn about light. Anybody can tell me that what is the daily life example of light? Anyone? Okay. Let's see about some daily life example of light. See, this is sun. Okay. Every morning sun gives us light, you know very well. And this is torch. We use torch light in dark to see anything. Okay. And this is tube light. In our house, there is tube light. In the night time, it gives us light to do our daily work. So, you will familiar with those daily life example of light. Now, let's start about what is light. Okay? About light. So, what is light? Light is a form of energy that enables us to see things. Light starts from a source and bounces off objects which are perceived by our eyes, and our brain processes this signal which eventually enables us to see. Understood, student? So what I am telling, that light is a form of energy. So light is nothing but energy that enables us to see, which enables us to see, because due to light we can see anything. Understood? See things. Light starts from a source and bounces off objects which are perceived by our eyes, and our brain processes this signal which eventually enables us to see. So understood, students, what is light? Now let us tell the nature of light. So nature of light. What are nature of light? Now light behaves as three types. First one is ray. Okay, ray. The property is called what? Reflection. Okay. Next one is like wave. Like wave. Okay. The property is called interference and diffraction. Interference and diffraction. Understood? Next one is like particle. Like particle. The property is called photoelectric effect. Understood, students? So the nature of light, three types. First one is ray. The property is called reflection. Next one is wave. The property is called interference and diffraction. And the last one is like particle. The property is called what? Photoelectric effect. Okay, students? Now let us study about laws of reflection. Laws of reflection. Before going to start laws of reflection, okay, we can study how light travels from one medium to another. Okay. So when light incident on another medium, So when light incident on another medium, there are three type of phenomena occur. First one is absorption, means the light gets absorbed. Okay, it gets absorbed. This is called what? Absorption. Next one is the light can bounces back. The light can bounces back. This is called reflection. This is called reflection. Okay, and next one is it passes through or bend. It passes through or bends. This is called what? Refraction. So understood, students? So when light incident on another medium, then there are three phenomena occur. First one is either the light gets absorbed, that is called absorption. Next one is either it is bounces back, that is called reflection, and another is passes through or bends, that is called refraction. Understood, students? So this is the phenomena. Okay. Now, let us study about some characteristics of light. So, what are characteristics of light? Now, our topic is characteristics of light. Okay. So, what is characteristics of light? Now, speed of light is equal to C equal to lambda mu. Speed of light equal to what? Lambda into mu, where lambda is the wavelength. And mu is the refractive index of the, mu is the frequency of the medium. Understood? So what is speed of light? Speed of light is lambda into mu, where lambda is the wavelength of the light and mu is the frequency of the medium. Understood, student? So what is the speed of light? If anybody asks you what is the speed of light, then you can tell them that speed of light equal to approximately 2.998 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, or 3.0 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This is the speed of light. Okay. So this is the speed of light. Understood? Now, so let us study about laws of reflection. Laws of reflection. First, let me draw the diagram. See, this is a plane mirror. Okay, this is a end mirror. So this is called incident ray. Incident ray. And that is called reflected ray. Okay, so see, this is incident ray, this is reflected ray, and this is normal. Okay, and this is angle of incidence, and this is angle of reflection. Angle of reflection. Understood, students? So this is the diagram. Now, what are the laws of reflection? The laws of reflection says that the incident ray, that is incident ray, reflected ray, and the normal, this is incident ray, this is reflected ray, and the normal lies in a same plane. Okay, lies in a same plane, and the angle of incidence I is equal to angle of reflection. Okay, so I is equal to R. This is the laws of reflection. Understood, student? So this is all about laws of reflection. Thank you, students.